How much is an airport transfer? Sounds like a simple question, right? Except the answer is never just X dollars. Because you're not only paying for miles, you're paying for timing, luggage, comfort, and that calm feeling when you land at 12:30 a.m. and realize public transport has basically vanished. Let's break the price down in a way that actually makes sense. First, distance and the city itself. Some airports are close. Some are 40 minutes away with toll roads in between. Add congestion zones, airport pickup rules, and expensive terminal parking, and the same airport run can cost wildly different amounts depending on where you are. Second, vehicle type. One person with a backpack is one story. Two adults, two big suitcases, maybe a stroller, maybe a child seat, totally different story. A van costs more than a sedan because it's larger, uses more fuel, and the driver prices that reality in. Third, time of day and hard hours. Late night, early morning, holidays, rush hour. These affect pricing because they affect risk and reliability. A driver who has to get you there at 5 a.m. usually builds extra buffer time into the job, and that shows up in the fare. Fourth, waiting time and meet and greet. This is where people get hit by surprise charges. Some services include waiting, others start charging after a few minutes. For example, GetTransfer clearly states in its FAQ that the driver's price includes 60 minutes of free waiting at airports, plus gasoline and road tolls if any apply. That 60 minutes matters in real life because flights get delayed and luggage doesn't always arrive with you. Now the big question, so what does it cost in actual numbers? Without picking one specific city, the best you can do is talk about typical ranges. Public price guides can give you a rough sense of scale. BARC's UK guide, for instance, lists an average airport transfer cost around £60 per trip. Their Canada guide lists an average around $65.50. That's not a promise or a fixed menu. It's a way to stop expecting 10 minutes in a car to always mean cheap. Next, you also need to understand what kind of transfer you're buying. Shared shuttle is usually cheaper. Metered taxi can be fine or it can climb fast. On-demand ride-hailing can surge. Private transfer often costs more than a shuttle, but you're paying for predictability. Pickup plan, luggage help, a specific vehicle, clear conditions. Here's a smart way to avoid guessing. Get multiple offers and choose the best one. That's basically the GTR logic. You submit a request, drivers send their prices, and you choose based on price, rating, and vehicle. It turns how much should it cost into which offer fits my real situation. Flight time, bags, kids, late arrival, everything. And to finish, 3 simple rules that save money and stress. Add details in your request, luggage, child seat, extra stops. Check what's included, waiting time, tolls. Compare 2 to 3 options ahead of time. You're not just buying a ride, you're buying a calm start to your trip. If you want a one-sentence takeaway, airport transfers cost exactly what your predictability costs. And when you walk out of arrivals and everything is already handled, the price stops feeling like a number and starts feeling like relief.